You calling Daddy? Where are you calling Daddy? Huh?
Daddy.
Daddy? Someone's calling you, honey.
Daddy. Gaga. Gaga.
Georgia.
Mom.
No, you're looking for Lucky. There he comes. Yeah, she was, and I got her saying Daddy and Nani and Georgia.
Hey.
Hold on just a second. I'll get you too. I just want to get this with Lucky. It's cute. You getting the Kit Kat? Huh? Cat? You getting the kitty cat? And you're cleaning and now you got your cleaning clothes on?
Yep.
Being productive. All right. Woohoo! Here, well, I'll get some more in Evelyn, sweetie. But why don't you go clean so you can start packing? I'm almost done. I just want to get her and Lucky real quick.
Why's the bedroom pushing?
Huh? What bedroom? Look at this, honey. I'm getting on video. Is that Mal? Mal? And you said Georgia? Huh? Georgia? Huh? Huh? I started it. She was saying, Daddy! Daddy! Then she ran down the hall towards you. Then she got sidetracked with the kitties.